Hey guys, what is up? Okay, so I don't know what we're doing here. I keep on asking, but nobody has an answer. OMG. So this is a trust game. So we're playing a trust game. I'm out of here. So let's see. So basically we give him something. Then keeps the items in love. Infinity winning. There's nothing on his trade, look. Okay, so basically we're supposed to gift them something, I guess. Give back. I trust you. Okay, so how is this supposed to work? Oh my gosh, excuse me. Uh-oh. Let's see if this is true. Okay, so I then oh snap. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, is this really going down? Alright. He doesn't have anything on his... Oh. JK, yeah he does. Oh wait, now he does. Okay, so these rare shutter glasses are my life. I hate it when it does that. It won't ever let me... Where's his... Okay, so... Okay, so this is basically like a trust challenge. I'm waiting, so like... Ugh. I can't even. There's like none. Okay, put something on your trade list. He's not. Okay. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. Wigs on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god, this is bad. I need to put something bad on my tree. Bro. I'm gonna tell him I'm recording. Cause bro. Accept. I'm gonna put the shock face. Okay, good. First brother like that. Okay, this is the ultimate test. The ultimate test. Dang it. Oh my god, if this cookie guy doesn't stop. I'm gonna tell him I'm recording too, so I have a witness. I'm a witness. Dang it, it won't let me say that. Fire, dancing. I know my singing sucks. I'm sorry, guys, that you guys have to listen to my awful singing. He's not putting anything on his trade list. Roar louder, louder than a lion, 'cause I am champion, and you're gonna hit me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh, okay. Whew. That was like the ultimate test. What is MOT? I mean MOD. I'll look that up. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I just got scammed! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I can't believe I just got scammed! Everybody, okay, everybody that's watching this, I'm actually about to cry. Because I just traded her 3 of my most important things. I traded her my long wig, something else, and then I traded her my spiked wrist thingy. Okay, everybody go report for for scamming. Everybody go. I'm actually about to cry. They just said it was my fault. I am smart, bruh. Did you just call me not smart? Alright, let me go roast this kid. Okay, guys, well, I hope you guys learned from my mistakes. I'm very upset. Once again, go block and report this person. It would be very appreciated if you sent me, jamagrammed me, spiked collars. My username is right here. Sailor459. Right here. That'd be very, very much appreciated. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you do, you'll get a shout out on my YouTube and everything like that. So yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. Please learn from my mistakes. I don't want this happening to you. And yeah, love you guys so much. Peace.